Hi, Ellie.
An Indian.
क्या क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
A
Yeah,
small
Indian,
little
Indian not
Indian.
good. Indian are not good.
No, I've just seen like 15 Indians.
Indian are not good. Indian are
The only
not good.
people who ever go.
Indian are not good. Eliza.
Wait, can you say something for me?
Eliza.
Can you say something for me?
What, can you say something?
Eliza. Indian are not good or what?
Mate.
Why are you getting shocked?
No, India is good because
जलवा है हमारा.
they have scammers there.
India is good, but I am not good, right?
Some Indian scammers. That's what you are.
India is good, but I am not good, right?
No, you good if you say do not redeem.
What?
You're good.
You're good, but you're good.
But I love Australia. Dear. Hello.
Thank you. We love Australia too. We're actually Slovakian.
I love Australia and I love Australian cricket players.
No, I love Australia.
Do you watch?
I'm sorry, mate. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry to say that.
Why?
Okay.
No need to say sorry, dear. Please.
Can you just please say do not please?
Excuse me, sir. Can you say do not redeem?
Wait, sir. If you say do not redeem, I will do whatever you want.
Do you watch cricket? Do you watch cricket?
Just say do not redeem.
What?
Just say do not redeem.
Your dream?
What the hell are you saying?
Tell me clearly.
Just say. Wait, I'll type it.
What have to say?
Oh my god.
What have to
Do not redeem.
What have to say?
Rude.
What have
Ready.
to say? What have to say? Tell me your name.
Can you read that text?
Do you read that text? My name is Eliza.
Say do not redeem.
Read that text, please, dude.
Can you read it? It says. He said it. Can you say it one more time? One more time.
Do not redeem. What it is?
One more time, please.
One more time. We'll be quiet.
Do not redeem. Do not redeem.
Say it, sir.
I got it on screen recording.
Are you guys creators?
You're the best Indian ever.
You're the best one we've had so far.
I am fullest
What?
Indian
What?
ever.
Yeah, you're
Yes,
the
you are.
best Indian ever.
नहीं झूठ बोल रहा है.
Oh really?
जलवा है हमारा.